Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about shift parabolas, or another way we talk about it is graph transformations. So we're taking, or translations, we're taking a parabola and we're just moving it. So you have this is called a parent function. You have your basic function. X squared is the absolute most basic quadratic ever, right? You can't get more simple of a quadratic than that. And then we can say, okay, if I have something like this has been moved. This +4 tells me that this graph has been moved left by 4. So the number that we add to the x moves it left and right. So if we add a number to the x, that moves it to the left. If we subtract a number from the x, it moves it to the right. So that's kind of counterintuitive because left is the negative direction and right is the positive direction. But that's how it works, because if I put in like -4 here, I would have a total of 0 inside, right? So I've moved it to the right. -4 is now equivalent to what 0 would be in this version. So this would be right 4, and then if I subtracted, it would be left 4. This one is a little bit more straightforward. This is how much we move up or down. So if it's minus, this is going to be down. So this is going to be moved down 1 compared to this. If it were +1, it would be moved up 1 compared to this. So this is the right and left. This is the up and down. So in terms of how you would answer this question, we're going down because it's -1. So going down by 1, and we're going to the left. Remember, it's counterintuitive. So plus means left by 4. And that is how this is always going to go. So then if you have a graph, then you can just look at it visually. So this has been moved left by 5. That's the only thing that's been done to it. So I move something left or right by adding something to the x inside a parentheses where so the square is outside. So I'm going to have something like this, and I'm moving to the left, so I need to add 5. And then I didn't move it up or down, so I don't have to do anything out here. So it's going to be inside the parentheses with the squared outside. This moves it left 5. To move it right 5, you would make this minus. So this would be x plus 5 squared. And then this is just the same thing, but instead of giving you a picture, they're just describing it, right? So we're going up 7 units and left 1 unit. So again, you're going to have something that's x, something squared, something. So up by 7 means we're adding out here because it's up, and we're adding 7 because we went up 7. And then left by 1, for left we add, and we add 1. So that's how this works. This is right, left, this is up and down, and you just kind of fill in the pieces. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.